Students, we already know that sky appears as blue due to Rayleigh scattering. But you have one question here. Why is the sky appears as white? White in the sense there is no entering of particular wavelength into your eye, because your brain is receiving all wavelengths simultaneously. Therefore, it could not project any color. That is the reason why it appears as white. So why sky appears as white? When you view it in certain direction on hot days. This happens only on hot days. It happens only on hot days. What actually happens on hot days? See, generally sky appears as blue. It is because whenever a white light, this is white light, it is received by the molecule. Molecule has some size, and this white light has mixture of wavelengths V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. It is mixture of wavelengths, and when this white light is absorbed by the molecule, out of which blue wavelength lambda of blue is comparable with size of molecules. So lambda of blue light is comparable with the size of the molecule. That is the reason why this molecule absorbs mostly blue light, and after that it emits the same blue light in all possible directions. It absorbs blue light and as well as it emits blue light in all directions. So that is the reason why a person who is standing here and observing, this blue light directly will be received by the observer. So for him, sky appears as blue. This is why blue color is being observed in general. That is in general. But now why white appears? Why sky appears as white? For that we have one more reason. And remember, it happens only on sunny days. That is hot days. What actually happens on hot days? In hot days, due to very high heat energy and temperatures, atmosphere has greater water molecules. Atmosphere has greater water molecules due to evaporation of water. Water enter into atmosphere, which we generally called as humid air. So these water molecules has greater size. These water molecules has greater size than that of nitrogen and oxygen. So as these water molecules have greater size, greater wavelength light can be absorbed by water molecules because its size is greater. So therefore, lambda other than blue, lambda of red, comma lambda of V, I, B, G, Y, O, R, it is orange. So lambda of red, lambda of orange, that means wavelength of red light, wavelength of orange light. We have greater wavelengths of light. These all are having greater wavelengths than that of the blue. As water molecules size is greater than nitrogen and oxygen, wavelength of greater wavelength lights will be absorbed by the water molecules. So this is water molecule, and white light is received by the water molecule. This is H2O. White light is absorbed by this water molecule, and this water molecule will release light energy in all possible directions. Okay, and these all colors, so as it has greater wavelength radiations are being received by the water molecule. It receives orange, it receives yellow, it receives green, it receives all wavelengths because its size is greater. So as its size is greater, it receives all greater wavelengths of lights. So therefore, after absorbing, it emits different colors. It emits, because it is absorbing all colors, therefore it emits light of different wavelengths. So all wavelengths it is being emitted. Now these all wavelengths are being received by the receiver. This enter into eye of the observer, and another color, all these colors enter into the observer's eye. As a result, this person's eye, as it is being entering with all colors, his brain could not sense or give message of particular color because all wavelengths are entering into his brain. Therefore, his brain will not respond for any color. Therefore, it appears as white. So, due to the presence of water molecules in the atmosphere, as water molecules has greater size than that of nitrogen and oxygen, water molecules are able to absorb greater wavelength lights, and once it is absorbing, it is able to emit same wavelength of light also in all directions. As a result, from all directions, multiple wavelength of lights are received by the observer. Because of that, his brain could not sense any particular color. As a result, white is the message sent to the brain by the optic nerve. Therefore, sky appears as white on hot sunny days. It is due to presence of water molecules in the atmosphere. So you have one more question. Do you know the reasons for appearance of red color of sun during sunrise and sunset? What is reason for this? See, as you know, we have different colors: V, I, P, G, Y, O, R. Violet, blue, green, multiple colors: V, I, P, G, Y, O, R. Now checking with this wavelengths, wavelength of violet is less, wavelength of the red, lambda of red is greater than lambda of violet. So in order to scatter red light, the size of the atom or molecule should be greater because its wavelength is greater. Now, as we know, atmosphere contains of free molecules and atoms with different sizes. Now, when the white light interact, this is here is the sun. I'll take it with red. Here is sun, and from this sun, all colors will be traveling. This is, let us consider that it is white light. White light is mixture of all wavelengths. It has V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Okay. When it is traveling through atmosphere, in atmosphere there are different molecules, right? These all are the molecules and atoms. Okay. These all are molecules. And when white light is passing through these molecules, depending on their size, different wavelengths will be absorbed by these molecules of different sizes, and they scatter in different directions. But however, mostly these molecules, 75% is of N2, nitrogen. So therefore, mostly size of nitrogen is comparable with blue light. That is the reason why 70% of the atoms and molecules will be absorbing blue light, and they scattered in all directions. That is the reason why mostly it appears blue. And remaining 25%, all wavelengths, violet, indigo, green, yellow, orange and red, all wavelengths are received by the molecules, remaining 25% only. But however, red is having greater wavelength than that of remaining all wavelengths. As a result, only greater molecules, greater size molecules, which are bigger, molecules which are having greater size. This is greater size molecules. And these greater size molecules are very, very small. They are very less in number. Greater size molecules are very less percentage. So in atmosphere, these greater size molecules are comparatively less in number. That is the reason why red light could not be absorbed. So total red light could not be absorbed. Only a part of the red light is been absorbed by these greater size molecules. Remaining red light does not get scattered. This red light will be directly traveling through the atmosphere and it enter into the receiver. Okay, here is receiver. or you can call him as observer. So this observer is directly receiving red light through this atmosphere, like it is not undergoing any scattering. Directly it is coming to the person's eye without any scattering. Therefore, when sun is very farther distance, all other wavelengths could not travel such longer lengths because their size, their wavelength is very less. But red, it has greater wavelength. That is the reason why it can travel longer distances during sunrise and sunset. Red can travel longer distance and without any scattering. So that is the reason why during sunrise and sunset, red is being appeared during sunrise and sunset. That is very clear information. So it is to be noted that as red light, its size wavelength is greater. So these because their wavelength is greater size molecules are less percentage in the atmosphere. Therefore, mostly red light does not get scattered, and its wavelength is larger. Therefore, they can travel longer distances without any scattering. So that is the reason why during sunrise and sunset, as sun is very far away, all other wavelengths get absorbed by the atmosphere, but red does not get scattered. So that is the reason why red will be directly received by the observer. That is the reason for appearing of sun red during sunrise and sunset. Now let us learn what is the reason for sun not appearing red during noon. During afternoon, you could not see, like sun appears as white in color. It is not appeared as red, but during sunrise and sunset it is appeared as red. Why? What is the reason for that? Now let me consider this is Earth. This is Earth, and you are here, right? As you know, sun will be revolving around. Earth will be revolving around. Earth will be revolving around the sun, right? So as Earth is revolving around this sun, when the light check it up clearly. Here is the sun, for example. With respect to the Earth, here is the sun, and here is the observer, right? Now this is sun, and here is Earth. As the observer is exactly below the sun, the light will be directly received by the observer. Okay, and it is less distance during compared to that of sunrise and sunset. So without much scattering, most of the light will be directly entering into the observer. Without much scattering, all light enter into the person's eye. So all colors enter into person's eye. Brain could not sense any particular color. That is the reason why it appears white. But during sunrise and sunset, if you see, let me consider this is sunrise, and let me consider this is sunset, right? And person is here. Now in order to receive light during sunrise or sunset, this is the longer distance. Length is increased, right? Longer distances light need to be traveled in order to enter into the person's eye. Therefore, this longer distances could be traveled only by red without any scattering. So that is the reason why during sunrise and sunset, sun appears as red in color, and here also sun appears as red. But if at all person is standing here, if there is person here, for him directly it enter, so it appears white for this person. Okay, so it depends upon the relative position of the sun. So if exactly sun is over our head, most of the light will be directly entering into the observer's eye without much scattering. As a result, white light is being seen by the observer. Therefore, sky appears as white, like sun appears as white in afternoon.